Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design.
These are the pictures of Air India Flight 171, which is a Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
Air India Flight 171. This AI 171 crashed shortly after takeoff from Ahmedabad on June 12, 2025. Overall dimensions of AI 171: the wingspan measurement is 60.9 meters and length is about 56.7 meters. Here I have the 3D solid model of AI 171 flight. 2D detailing of AI 171 flight. 3 orthographic views with wingspan and length dimension shown in dual units, that is in meters and feet. And in sheet 2, a single isometric view is shown. Here I would like to do a small 3D animation of AI 171 Ahmedabad crash in SolidWorks. This is a real picture of an airport runway. In related to that, this is a runway created in 3D with number 23 to mimic the actual Ahmedabad International Airport runway. 3D visualization of runway and airport building with zooming in. I have saved multiple view orientations of the runway and airport, including AI 171 flight. Let's view the runway along with AI 171 flight in different view orientations. After the runway, I have placed some buildings randomly to mimic Meghani Nagar, Ahmedabad. And the BJ Medical College Hospital building is here. It's now ready to begin the crash animation. This blue vertical line is the 625 feet height line which AI 171 climbed. And this red sketch is the path on which the flight travels.
So relatively, let's look into PathMate in 3D CAD. Here you could see the definition of PathMate in SolidWorks and its icon.
This is the sketch point at the bottom of the flight to tie it to path. Here you could see how I applied the PathMate. The sketch point at bottom of flight has been tied to the path as a component vertex. And path constraint is percent along path, which starts with 0%. Now Air India 171 flight on the start of runway, ready to take off. Before that, let's look at how I defined the motion animation. Total duration of animation is about 41 seconds, out of which flight in action from 3 seconds to 35 seconds to mimic the exact crash duration of 32 seconds. For the full 41 seconds, I have altered the view orientations along the way. Now the flight movement begins. From the runway, now it starts climbing up. It reached a height of 625 feet. Then it starts losing its altitude and dips. Collision of AI 171 on BJ Medical College building, subsequent explosion and ball of fire. Ultimately, AI 171 shattered into pieces and the debris. My 3D certifications.
I do 3D trainings for students.
Subscribe 3D Fully Design.